Hi, welcome to Carter and Haynes. Those of you that know our cars or don't know our cars or first to see our cars, you will know, or you'll definitely know if you haven't before, that we do like to sell the oddball car. With great spec. This is our Audi A4 3-litre estate quattro 4-wheel drive. It's on a 2010 60. It's been well looked after by its previous owner. We bought this car from a private seller, and it's lovely. It really is lovely. And what a colour combo, and the spec's great. Just a cool thing in the 3-litre. So you've got the double exhausts. So you're at TDI Quattro there. This car has the power boot. This is a net to go in between if you need it, parcel shelf, etc. In the rear of the car, you've got to remember this is a 15-year-old car, and it's lovely. It really is. You can see how well it's been looked after. There's your pan roof there. The seats are in really good condition. There we go. This car has the sat-nav heated seats. All the spec will be on the advert as usual. Just a great car. I love selling cars like this. They're just with a spec like this, Someone took the trouble when this was new to go on the configurator and spec this car and buy this car with this colour combo. It just looks great. We do accept part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.